Jessica with JayKayBraids. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these little buns on myself. Kind of like Princess Leia buns, but I think more like a cute boho modern version of them. So let's get started.
So we're going to start the style by just parting your hair down the center. I recommend doing a middle part so you have an equal amount of hair on each side. And we're just going to section off the side that we're not going to work on yet. We're now going to apply some texture spray, and I'm using the R&Co dry volume spray. And then after that, just separate any face framing pieces that you want to leave out. You could then form a little ponytail near the nape of your neck, about 2 inches behind your ear. So when you have that ready, you could go ahead and just wrap the hair elastic around 2 to 3 times. And then you just want to loop it right here, so you have a few inches of hair still hanging out. And then I love my texture, so go ahead and just pinch and pull towards your roots and just pull that apart so the hair is not slicked against your head. Okay, so now we have to do something with the little tail of hair that we have here. So first we're going to apply some texture powder. I'm using the Kristen S loose styling powder as usual. And then once you have that in, wrap the hair away from your face. And this is going to go up and over the loop that we have here. So you could kind of pinch and pull it apart to get some texture here, but you want it to kind of lay flat on top of the loop. So now we're just going to use some bobby pins to secure that in. And we'll put another bobby pin on the back side as well. So you want to look from the front and kind of just mold the bun and pinch and pull it apart until it's in the shape that you would like it to be in. Once it is in the shape that you like, you could just get some hairspray. I'm using the Kenra 25 hairspray and just lock it in here. I recommend checking out this style from the back as well, because depending on your hair length, you might have some hair that we wrapped over sticking out. So if you do, you could go ahead and just bobby pin it in, or you might have to wrap it underneath the bun to hide it. So we can start on the other side now, so go ahead and apply some texture spray to your hair. We're going to separate our face framing pieces, and we're going to form that little ponytail about 2 inches behind our ear near the nape of our neck. And remember just to loop the hair and leave a few inches of hair out at the ends. Go ahead and pinch and pull again, form that texture so your hair is not stuck against your head. So now we have the tail of hair to work with again, so go ahead and apply your texture powder. Remember, twist it away from your face and over the loop. So here you could see on this side, you could see the hole of the loop a little bit, but that's fine. We're going to take care of that later. So you could just pinch and pull here, get that texture that you want, and then we're going to slide a bobby pin in here to secure it. And remember, with your bobby pins, you never want to open them up. Keep them closed, but just slide them in. And then we're going to slide in one more bobby pin in the back here. And kind of like I was talking about on that other side, we have that tail just sticking out there, so we want to hide it. So wrap it underneath your bun, and you're just going to get one more bobby pin, slide it in there so it's nice and secure, and it's going to hide that tail of hair. So pay attention to this next part, because I feel like it really enhances the style. So I don't like how that little loop is showing. So I'm just getting that hair and just pinching and pulling it down to cover it. And it's so secure, it doesn't mess up the twist at all. It's just going to cover that loop, and I think it looks so much better this way. So now we're going to get our hairspray and lock that in. And you can just continue to detail as much as you would like. So I always like to work on my face framing pieces, so you could start with just teasing the roots slightly. And then you could apply a little hairspray. And you could just fluff it up a little bit. So just use a comb and go through from the roots to the ends and just fluff the hair up, and then you could spray it one more time to lock it in. And just do the same thing with the other side. So tease the roots a little bit, apply some hairspray, and you could just fluff it up a little bit. If you don't have face framing pieces, I highly suggest asking your hairstylist to trim you some next time you get your hair cut. To me, face framing pieces can soften up any style, and I love the look of it fluffed out like this. So that's it, guys. I hope you like these boho buns, and go ahead and add your favorite hat to accessorize it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.